Greetings, beautiful souls. Today we gather to discuss a profound truth that's stirring in the cosmic winds. For those of you who felt different, who've endured trials that seemed insurmountable, who've questioned your place in this world, listen closely. You are the chosen ones, and your breakthrough is here. This isn't about ego or superiority. Being chosen is a responsibility, a sacred trust between you and the universe. You've been selected to play a crucial role in the evolution of consciousness on this planet. The tests you faced weren't punishments, but preparation. Every hardship, every moment of doubt, every tear shed in the dark night of the soul, these were forging you into the lightworker you were meant to become. Now, as we stand at the threshold of a new era, the universe is sending a clear message: you've passed all tests. The breakthrough you've been waiting for, longing for, perhaps even doubting would ever come, it's here. But what does this mean? How do we recognize and step into this breakthrough? In this exploration, we'll uncover the signs of your chosen status, understand the nature of the tests you've endured, and learn how to embrace the breakthrough that awaits you. This isn't just about personal transformation. Your breakthrough has the power to ripple out, affecting the collective consciousness of humanity. So, let's begin with the first crucial understanding: recognizing your chosen status. Many of you have felt different from a young age. Perhaps you've always sensed that you don't quite fit in with the mainstream. You might have an inexplicable feeling that you're here for a greater purpose, even if you couldn't articulate what that purpose is. These feelings aren't coincidences or flights of fancy. They're signs of your soul's recognition of its mission. The chosen ones often feel like outsiders because they're tuned into a different frequency. You perceive the world differently, sense energies others can't, and feel a deep connection to something greater than yourself. But being chosen isn't always comfortable. It often comes with heightened sensitivity, both emotional and spiritual. You might find yourself deeply affected by the pain of others, or overwhelmed by the state of the world. This sensitivity is a gift, even when it feels like a burden. It's part of your soul's equipment for the mission you're here to fulfill. Another sign of your chosen status is the intensity of the challenges you've faced. The universe doesn't give its toughest battles to its weakest warriors. If you've endured trauma, loss, or periods of intense darkness, know that these weren't random cruelties. They were tests designed to strengthen you, to burn away what no longer serves you, and to awaken your true power. You might have experienced recurring patterns or themes in your life, situations that seem to repeat until you learned a crucial lesson. Perhaps you've gone through periods of isolation, forced to confront your deepest fears and insecurities. Or maybe you've faced health challenges that defied conventional explanation, pushing you to explore holistic healing and spiritual practices. These tests weren't just about personal growth. They were preparation for your role in the greater cosmic plan. Each challenge you overcame, each insight you gained, was shaping you into the light worker the world needs. Now, as we declare that you've passed all tests, you might feel a mix of relief and disbelief. After all, for so long, the journey has been arduous. You might wonder, how can I be sure I've passed? What if there are more tests to come? The truth is, the testing never truly ends. Life itself is a continuous journey of growth and evolution, but there are cycles, and you've completed a major one. The intensity of your trials is subsiding. The fog is lifting, revealing a new landscape of possibility before you. In this new phase, the tests take on a different nature. They become opportunities to apply what you've learned, to step into your power with confidence and grace. You're no longer the student struggling to understand. You're the master, ready to teach by example. As we pause here, I invite you to reflect on your journey. Can you see the thread of purpose running through your experiences? Can you recognize the wisdom you've gained, the strength you've built? Your breakthrough is not just a future event. It's the culmination of everything you've already achieved. As we venture deeper into the realm of your breakthrough, we must first understand the profound alchemy that's taken place within you. The trials you've endured weren't just tests, they were transformative fires, burning away the dross of your lower self and revealing the gold of your true nature. This alchemical process is at the heart of your journey as a chosen one. Each challenge you faced was carefully calibrated to transmute specific aspects of your being. The pain of rejection taught you self-love and authenticity. The dark nights of the soul stripped away illusions, leaving you with unshakable truth. The betrayals you experienced opened your heart to deeper compassion and discernment. But here's the crucial point. This alchemy isn't complete until you recognize and claim its results. Many of you are still carrying the weight of your past trials, not realizing that they've already served their purpose. It's time to lay down that burden. You've extracted the wisdom, you've built the strength. Now you must allow yourself to embody the transformed being you've become. Think of a sword forged in fire. The heat and hammering are essential to its creation, but once it's cooled and sharpened, it doesn't carry the fire with it. In the same way, you don't need to relive your trials to access the power they've given you. That power is now an intrinsic part of who you are. Your breakthrough is the moment of fully realizing and wielding this power. It's not something that happens to you. It's something you step into, a choice you make to fully inhabit your transformed self. This is why we say the breakthrough is here, now. It's not waiting for external circumstances to align. It's waiting for you to align with it.s. Oh, how do you step into this breakthrough? It begins with a shift in perception. Start seeing yourself not as a victim of your past, but as a victor. Every challenge you've overcome is a badge of honor, a testament to your resilience and growth. When you look in the mirror, see the warrior who's emerged from the battlefield, scarred perhaps, but undefeated and wise. Next, you must update your internal narrative. The stories we tell ourselves shape our reality. If you're still telling the story of struggle and hardship, you're anchoring yourself to that past. It's time for a new story, one of empowerment, purpose, and infinite potential. Speak of yourself as the hero who's completed the quest, ready for the next adventure. This doesn't mean denying or suppressing your past experiences. Rather, it's about reframing them. Where you once saw victimhood, now see initiation. Where you felt weakness, recognize the strength it took to endure. This reframing is powerful magic, instantly shifting your energy and opening new possibilities. As you step into your breakthrough, you'll find that your intuition sharpens. Trust this inner guidance system. It's been fine-tuned by your trials and is now calibrated to lead you towards your highest purpose. When you receive intuitive hits or synchronicities, act on them. The universe is speaking directly to you, guiding you towards your next level of growth and service. Remember, your breakthrough isn't just for you. As a chosen one, your transformation has ripple effects that extend far beyond your personal sphere. When you step into your power, you give others permission to do the same. Your light illuminates the path for those still finding their way. In this phase of your journey, be prepared for rapid changes. As you align with your true power, the universe conspires to support your mission. Opportunities may arise suddenly. Relationships may shift. You might feel called to make bold moves or radical changes in your life. Trust this process. Your breakthrough is the universe's way of positioning you for your greatest work. Are you ready to fully claim your breakthrough? Can you feel the stirring of newfound power within you? In our next segment, we'll explore how to wield this power responsibly and effectively, expanding your influence as a light worker in a world desperately in need of healing. The journey of the chosen one continues, and your greatest chapter is just beginning. As we delve deeper into your journey as a chosen one, we arrive at a critical juncture. You've recognized your status, you've alchemized your trials into wisdom, and you've stepped into your breakthrough. Now comes the pivotal question. What will you do with this newfound power? This is where many light workers falter. They've done the inner work, they've healed their wounds, but they hesitate to fully embody their role as agents of change in the world. Yet this is precisely what you've been prepared for. Your breakthrough isn't just a personal victory, it's a call to action. Imagine the world as a vast cosmic orchestra. Each soul plays a unique instrument, contributing to the grand symphony of existence. As a chosen one, you're not just any musician, you're a conductor. Your vibration, your actions, your very being has the power to influence the entire composition. But here's the key. Your power lies not in controlling others, but in harmonizing with the divine flow. You're not here to impose your will on the world, but to align so perfectly with your higher purpose that your mere presence creates positive change. This is the art of spiritual service. To step into this role, you must first clarify your unique divine purpose. This goes beyond generic notions of helping others or spreading light. Your purpose is as unique as your fingerprint, a specific frequency that only you can emit. It's the intersection of your deepest joy and the world's greatest need. Discovering this purpose requires deep listening. Meditate on the moments when you felt most alive, most in flow. What were you doing? Who were you being? Often, our purpose is hiding in plain sight, disguised as the things we do effortlessly, the gifts we take for granted. Once you've identified your purpose, commit to it fully. This commitment is what separates the chosen ones from those who merely dabble in spirituality. It means aligning every aspect of your life, your relationships, your career, your daily habits with your higher calling. It might require tough choices, letting go of what no longer serves your mission. But remember, what you release creates space for greater blessings to enter. As you align with your purpose, you'll find that the universe begins to co-create with you in miraculous ways. Synchronicities will increase. Resources will appear just when you need them. You'll encounter the right people at the right time. This isn't magic, it's the natural result of aligning your personal will with the divine will. But be prepared. As you step more fully into your power, you may face resistance. Some people in your life may not understand your transformation. You might encounter skepticism or even hostility. This is a test of your resolve. Can you stand firm in your truth, even when others doubt you? Can you love those who oppose you, recognizing that their resistance is often born of their own unhealed wounds? This is where the wisdom gained from your trials becomes crucial. You've learned resilience, compassion, and discernment. Use these skills now. Set boundaries where necessary, but always from a place of love. Remember, as a chosen one, you're here to lift others up, not to prove yourself right. Your service might take many forms. Perhaps you're called to heal, to teach, to create art that awakens souls, or to build new systems that support humanity's evolution. Whatever your specific mission, approach it with humility and joy. You're not burdened by your purpose. You're liberated by it. We pause here. I invite you to feel the weight of this calling. Can you sense the vastness of your potential impact? Are you willing to step fully into your role as a conductor in the cosmic orchestra? In our final segment, we'll explore how to sustain this high-frequency existence and navigate the challenges that come with being a wayshower in a world in transition. The culmination of your journey as a chosen one awaits. As we approach the zenith of our exploration, we confront the ultimate challenge of the chosen one, sustaining your elevated state in a world still caught in the throes of transformation. This is where your journey transcends personal growth and becomes a beacon for collective evolution. Maintaining your high vibration isn't about constant bliss or avoiding life's challenges. It's about anchoring yourself so deeply in your truth that you remain centered even amidst chaos. Think of yourself as a mighty oak tree. Your roots reach deep into the soil of your spiritual understanding, allowing your branches to sway with the winds of change without breaking. The key to this sustainability lies in your daily practices. These aren't just rituals to perform mechanically, but sacred acts that realign you with your highest self. Begin each day by connecting with your inner divinity. This could be through meditation, prayer, or simply sitting in silent communion with the universe. Let this connection infuse every aspect of your day. As you move through the world, practice constant awareness. Notice how different environments and interactions affect your energy. Learn to modulate your vibration consciously. In lower energy situations, you don't need to match that frequency. Instead, maintain your higher vibration, acting as a tuning fork that helps others rise to meet you. Remember, you're no longer at the mercy of external circumstances. You've passed the tests, you've claimed your breakthrough. Now, you're the alchemist, transmuting every experience into wisdom and growth. Even challenges become opportunities to deepen your understanding and expand your capacity for love. Your relationships will evolve as you sustain this higher frequency. Some connections may fall away, making room for soul family members who resonate with your new vibration. Cherish these kindred spirits. Together, you form nodes in a global network of light, supporting and amplifying each other's missions. As a sustainer of high frequency, you'll often find yourself in the role of a teacher or healer. People will be drawn to your energy, seeking guidance or solace. Honor this responsibility, but also maintain healthy boundaries. You can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize your own spiritual nourishment so you can continue to serve others effectively. Be prepared for moments of doubt or fatigue. Even chosen ones have human experiences. When these moments come, don't judge yourself. See them as invitations to go deeper, to release another layer of limiting beliefs. Your challenges now are not punishments, but opportunities for mastery. Stay connected to the natural world. The earth is undergoing its own ascension process, and aligning with its rhythms can profoundly support your journey. Spend time in nature regularly. Listen to the wisdom of trees, rivers, and mountains. Let their ancient energy replenish and ground you. Above all, remember that your journey is eternal. There is no final destination, no point at which you've made it. Each breakthrough leads to new horizons. Each mastery opens doors to greater mysteries. Embrace this endless unfoldment with joy and curiosity. As we conclude, I invite you to feel the weight of your cosmic role not as a burden but as a crown. You are the chosen one, the way shower, the bearer of light in times of darkness. Your breakthrough is not just a personal achievement, it's a gift to all of humanity. Step forward with confidence, dear one. Let your light shine undiminished. Trust in the path that has brought you here, and in the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The world is waiting for the unique magic only you can bring. Dance your cosmic dance with abandon, for in your joy, in your service, you fulfill the highest purpose of your soul.